choreography to the musical Bandstand. If you don't know that musical, I encourage you to go and check it out. It is fantastic. I'm going to teach some choreography that I created to the number The Boys Are Back. It's just under a minute long and it's super fun. So I'm going to teach you as if you are in a class with me. So I will be in front of you as if you were behind me. We'll work through it slowly. We'll add on until we have the whole phrase. Then we'll run it with the music and then I'll do it facing you. Okay? Yeah! Alrighty, we're gonna start facing the back. So that is our audience. You're with me. We're gonna face the back. We're sink into the right hip, hand on it. This left leg is popped, the heel is up, and the arm is up, and it's kind of like a jazz flash hand. Okay? There's a couple of drum beats, and it goes ba, 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 ba. The boys are back. The boys are back. Okay? So we're up here. Brum, bum, 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 ba, da, da, da. The boys are back. The boys are back. Out, out, up. The boys are back. The boys are back. Okay? We're gonna add on. No, let's not add on. Let's just do that again. Sink into the right hip. Arm is up. Left heel is popped. And it's like da, da, da. Bum, 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 bum. The boys are back. The boys are back. Out, out, up. Boys are back. Boys are back. 1, 2, 3, step. Okay? So we just went slow, slow. Quick, quick, quick step. And we're sending it forward. On those quick ones, our arms are going side to side. Okay? So we just step out, out. They come in, up. The boys are back. The boys are back. Quick, quick, quick. Oh, jump. Okay? Let's go through that slowly. Start from the top, we face the back, pop in the right hip, left heel is up. And what is this? This is the left hand. And it goes a dum 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 bum 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 bum. The boys are back. The boys are back. Out, out, in, up. The boys are back. Boys are back. Quick, quick, quick. Whoa! Okay? On that whoa, what is happening? So we just went slow click, slow click. 1, 2, 3. Step forward with the right leg. Then we're gonna jump, left leg up, arms up, they come down. And shoulders forward. Intense. Just imagine like 10 of you doing that. Be super fun. Okay? Let's go from the beginning. Sink into our hip. Left arm up, it goes a da 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 bum 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 bum. The boys are back. The boys are back. Out, out, up, and the boys are back. Boys are back. Da 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 da. Whoa, da da. Shoulder. Out, out, in, out, out, in, out, out, in, back, back. So you're making the shape of a letter T. Okay? So we go out here, out, out, in. Out, out, in. See how this is the top of the T? Then we send it back and back. So you're going T and back. Does that make sense? So go from, we just wrote it down, slow, da, 1, 2, 3, whoa, shoulder, out, out, in, out, out, in, out, out, in, back, back. Think about keeping your toes on the floor all the time. You can be barefoot, you can be in jazz shoes, character shoes, whatever. I love to learn things in bare feet because they make me happy, and I love to feel the floor. So we're gonna add our arms. So when we're going out, out, in, arms come on up, all the way up and slide through. So it's kind of like you're in a funnel, a shaft, and your arms can't go too much ahead of you. So they just go up your body, ba, ba, down, down. Let's take it from the very top, facing the back. Sink into the right hip, pop the left heel, left hand up. It goes up, 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 boom, boom, boom. The boys are back. The boys are back. Out, out, in, up. Boys are back. Boys are back. 1, 2, 3, whoop, da, shoulder, out, out, in, out, out, in, out, in, back, back. Okay? All right, at this point, it goes, we're going to New York. That wasn't in the right key. Sorry about that. And you just step back, back. You're gonna step forward, we're going to New York. Okay? So it's just a little shift of your weight. Forward, back, sink. Bring it in, like a vacuum. Okay? Okay, from the top. Face the back, sink into the hip, pop the heel. What is this? Left hand up. Ba, 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 doom, doom, doom. The boys are back, the boys are back. Out, out, in, up. The boys are back, boys are back. 1, 2, 3, whoop, da, shoulder. 1, 2, 3, ba, da, back, back. We're going to New York, boom. It's like a suction coming in, okay? Then we're gonna go shoulder, 2, 3, 4, shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Okay? Does that make sense? Let's do that new part again. We go slow click, fast, 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 step, jump, shoulder, out, in, and back, back. We're going to New York, shoulder, boom, boom, boom. So our heels, we do a little relevé, 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 relevé. My shoulders are just going shoulder, boom, boom, boom. It's just kind of a shoulder lift coming forward. Shoulder, forward lift, roll. Okay, let's try it out with the music so you can get a sense of what's happening. Boys are back. Out, out, down, up. 1, 2, whoop. Shoulder, out, out, in, back. Bum. Shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Let's try that again before we add on. Let me bring the song back up. Make it a little bit louder this time. Turn. The boys are out, out, in. 1, whoop. Shoulder, out, out, in, back. Boom. Shoulder, 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 shoulder. So, we just finished that beginning section. We just went shoulder, 1, 2, 3. Now, we're gonna do something a little fabulous and tricky. We're gonna plie, jump. Back leg is on a toe, front leg is on the heel. And then plie, relevé, turn. Plie, jump. Same leg is going forward, right leg is the heel, back is left on the toe. And then plie, relevé. Let's try that again. We just went shoulder, 2, 3. Plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé. Plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé. Let's try that again. Plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé. Plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé. And that relevé has a turn. So let's go nice and slowly. Plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé. Plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé again. Plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé. Plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé. So we do that 2 times. Plie, toe, heel, relevé. Plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé. Then we miss out the relevé turn. So then it will go plie, toe, heel, look forward, plie, other leg, toe, heel. So let me put them together for you and show you, and then you can do it with me, okay? Watch me. Plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé. Plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé. Plie, toe, heel, plie, toe, heel. So the first 3, every time on those first 3, the right leg is the heel going forward, and then we switch it on the 4th time, okay? So let's try that together. 5, 6, 7, plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé, plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé, plie, toe, heel, plie, switch. Now from here we're going to plie, jump onto the left leg. Imagine there is a spider and you want to smash it. Sorry for spider lovers. So we plie, jump, just one, sorry. So just one, plie, jump the other way. Okay? Let's see what happens. Plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé, plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé, plie, toe, heel, switch. Take it to the left, to the right. 5, 6, 7, oh, and relevé, plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé, plie, toe, heel, over to the left, to the right. Let's do that with the music, because there's a part in the music that helps you hear how that goes. Here. Plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé, toe, heel, relevé, toe, heel, left, right. Plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé, plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé, plie, toe, heel, to the left, to the right. We're going to add on. So, we just ended, we plie, we jumped to the right. We have this left leg open. We're going to step, point with the right foot, step, point with the left foot. And your weight's kind of sinking back here. The step, point, then your step, click. And go this way, step, point, step, take it around, up. And that's the end, okay? Let me take you through that last part. So, we're here, plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé, toe, heel, relevé, toe, heel, bend, toe, heel to the left, to the right, step, point, step, click, step, point, step on the left, take it around, up. Sink into this right hip again. This time we end with a pointed finger. And we're kind of looking up there. Try that again. We just went shoulder, 1, 2, 3. Plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé, toe, heel, relevé, toe, heel, to the left, to the right. Step, point, step, click. Step, point, step around left, up. And that's the end. Let me play the music and do it so you can see how it looks. And we're going to go through the whole thing multiple times. Plie, toe, heel, and relevé. Ba, relevé. Heel to the left, to the right. Step, point, step, point, step around, up. Let's do that again. And plie, toe, heel, plie, relevé, toe, heel, relevé, toe, heel, to the left, jump to the left, to the right, step, point, step, click, step, point, circle over, boom. Let's see that. Okay, let's go through the whole thing 2 times, okay? And then we're at the music. Voila! So we face back. We're going to sink into the right hip, lift our foot, and take our arm up. And it goes, rat tat tat tat, boom, boom, boom. The boys are back. Out, out, in, up. The boys are back. Lean forward here. 1, 2, 3, whop, boom. Shoulder, out, out, in. Send it back. We're going to New York, boom. 1, ba. Plie, toe, heel, relevé, toe, heel, relevé, toe, heel to the left, to the right, step, point, step, click, step, point, turn over the left shoulder, boom. Okay? Let's try it again. Woo. We're here, rat-tat-tat-tat, boom, boom, boom. The boys are back, ba, ba, the boys are back. And 1, 2, 3, whoa. Shoulder, out, out, in, back, forward, your June. Shoulder, 1, 2, 3, bum, bum, turn, down, to the left, jump, step, point, step, click, step, point, step around, boom. All right, we're gonna pop the music on. We're gonna flow through it as if we're dancing together 3 times. And then I'll do it facing you, and then you have the dance, okay? Let's bring it.